Let's learn how to access and add elements to an array list. Come on, let's learn some Java. Array lists have add methods. We're going to look at two different add methods in this tutorial. First, void add with an object. This will append the value to the end of the array list. So if we have array list sales, weekly sales, we can add new sales objects using the sales constructor to the array list. We can say weekly sales.add and then create a new sales object, in this case, 100 on Monday. That is going to append this sales object to the array list for weekly sales. And so the value at index 0 will be this new sales object. Then if we say weekly sales.add new sales 150 for Wednesday, that will append the sales for Wednesday at index 1. There is also an add method that takes in an index for where you want to insert the object. In this case, weekly sales.add at 1 new sales 120 Tuesday. When this line is executed, the value at index 1 will be moved down to be the value at index 2, and then the value at index 1 will be replaced with the new sales object. Now be sure to like and follow, and check out the links in our description.